Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll go through how to create a generative AI app in 10 minutes. So to generate the generative AI app in 5 to 10 minutes, we'll be using the Party Rock guide. So Party Rock is a space where you can build a generative AI app using the Amazon Bedrock generative AI models. It is the funniest fun way to learn about the generative AI. And how does it works in the sense is we are in Amazon Bedrock offers generative AI models which we can use to build the Party Rock apps. You can create apps and run them until your backstage page shows that you have used 100% of your Party Rock credits. There are some credits which are given. So until you have completely used it, you can build how many apps you want, you can edit it, you can deploy it. So get started by creating a Party Rock app that provides you with a starting place to learn in. So building your app by editing UI elements called widgets. So you can change the width prompt so that they connect to each other and accomplish different things. So the next step is we'll create an app. We can create an app using the three different ways. One is with start with a prompt, remix a app, or start with an empty app. So starting with a prompt is like you have an idea. For an example, I want to generate a story, or I want to generate a travel plan, or a fashion designing prompt, or an idea for the fashion design. You can start with a prompt. Remix an app is just like there are already existing app in the Party Rock. Example apps offered by users or by the Party Rock Amazon. You have to, if you like that ideas, you can edit that, modify it, add advanced features, add more ideas, creativity to it, and then deploy it. Or we can start with an empty app. So for this video, we'll go with the start with the prompt. So click on start building. Here I'll write like generate a story for manga, and then I'm clicking on generate app. So it creates an app for me. So with the app name, manga video, and with the instructions also, we will use a series of widgets to help generate a story idea for manga. First, provide some details about the themes and characters like to include. Then a language model will generate a story outline based on your inputs. So basically, at the starting, generating an app, I have given just to generate a story for a manga, and it created such an interesting UI and generative app. They have given me inputs. Here, I can enter the desired genre like action, sci-fi, or anything, or themes like friendship and characters. So these three fields they have given for us to give an input. This is for AI to generate the story outline, and then story discussion. If you need any modifications, such a such a great app. So we'll try out this thing. So I can write action, adventure, magic. So and the themes is about friendship and love, and then the characters are female name. For an example, she is one of my favorite characters of one anime. Anything you write about the character, I have given some examples, and then you have to press after entering all the three fields. Then you have to press Control plus Enter. So as you can see, like some magic is happening. Like AI is generating a story for us, story outlines. So they have given us here the high level outline of the manga story with the title of the story. Wow, the magical quest. Brief plot. They have given the with major story arcs like the call to the adventure, the trials of friendship. Like we in manga we have episodes, right? The awakening of magic, everything they have given. Such a thing. And then story discussion. Thanks for the feedback. I'm glad you like the Intel outline. So your suppose I want to add some if I get some other ideas also, like I want to add more leads and make a story little bit twisted, I can give something and it will rewrite my story or rewrite the particular stuff. So I can write. So I have given that the main character Lucy. So they have given me the ideas how I can modify the story based on the outline which they have given. It's just like a bot. If you are based on the story generated, you ask some questions for modifications, they will modify the story, so give you the ideas. So yeah, so now if I want to edit the title instead of characters, if I want to add something else, we can edit it like this. And then if we want some default value to be shown for a person to exactly understand which format you want them to write or what things exactly you want them to include, so that you get more creative and more good story, you can give a default value and then click on save to edit these things. And when it comes to editing an AI thing, we have to click edit and you can edit the title. We have some models which are given by Amazon Bedrock, so we can change the models. All of them are text based models like for text generations. So we have Labna to chat 13B and Nano to chart 70B also. So here, as you can see, they have written a prompt based on the idea we are giving. No? They wrote a prompt. So based on the provider, genre, theme, and the character description, generate a high-level outline of a manga story. The outline should include a brief plot, major story arcs, and key events. If you want some twist, like some other characters, you can modify your prompt, create more advanced anything. So in advanced settings, there are some parameters to modify like temperature. You can increase or decrease the temperature and then save it. So we can modify it, or if you want to add, like for an example, I think that three inputs are not enough for me. I want more input for me, so I can just add a which. Or otherwise, if I want to add a prompt, one more I can just have it, and then we can choose, does do we want user input to be there or static test, or do we want a user to drag and drop or something based on or generate something based on, or do we want an AI powered like text generation or image generation or a chatbot. So if I click on image generation, what it will show? It will show that for image generation they are having stable diffusion and Tata image generator. Examples are there. Now the image or gender, I don't want this thing, right? So I'll just create one more edge for the user input. Give it a title as like I want character design, or you can say for fashion design we can write like, because we are trying out this app, so something random. I'll show you how. So I've written a fashion design. Now here we can edit it. So here I can just fashion generator. And we here the models are stable diffusion. I am selecting stable diffusion only. Style preference. What style preference I want? If you want 3D model or fantasy art or anything, so I choose no preference right now. And then instead of this thing, no, I will remove it and then select the fashion design. So it will generate an image, whatever input I am giving here. So I'll save it. So I will write an input to generate a western gown of blue color for party. And then control enter. And I think it should be generating. So it is showing generating. Let's see what it will generate. So it created something. So I want it to be seen the full image. So I can keep it like this, and I want this to be here so that input and the output can be seen together. I can just expand it more like this so I can see the full image. So an example you can give, or you can create an one more user input saying that for anime characters design example save, and then so we can just minimize this thing also, so that here we can create a image generator. For we need anime generator, so gender for I can just anime character and save it, right? And then I want it to be anime, I'm choosing it, and then anime, and then save it, and then I can write a young girl, a cute, so control plus enter, so it will generate. So see, it generated an anime character for me. So like this we can use this thing. So in few minutes only my full app is ready. This thing we just tried out, the fashion generator, I can remove it because it's not related to my thing, related to the app title I can say, and then anime character. This thing we can include for the image example. This includes the board example. This too includes the image example. This story outline includes the text generation example. So all the three examples which offers in the party rock is included, which is text generation, chatbot, and the other thing is image generation. So here, as you can see, we generated our manga Wavier app in just few minutes. It didn't took so much hard work like how if you want to develop a website or an app, it takes days to develop it, and we are able to develop in minutes, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, based on your how much creativity or how much editing or how much time you need. It is based on the user to user. So that's all. So I hope you liked it. So bye.